And hello again, and welcome to Mastercam course. And in that channel, and we're gonna talk about how can we create our toolpath. Okay, and this is actually and machine group. It is control unit, funnel control unit actually. After that, we can turn to and the wireframe options here. We just need to push that button. After that, we can create and some rectangle here, and we can click here, and we can use the rectangle shapes. We can write here 120. This is our origin actually. We can put here and here. After that, we can use right mouse button and toolpath, and actually we can also use face toolpath. After that, we can select our chain, click OK button. This is geometry 1. It is already selected here. We can turn to tool section, create using the right mouse button here. We can create tool here. Maybe my tool can be 10 millimeter diameter. After that, we can write our feed rate and cutting speed. After that process, we can write actually and feed rate for each teeth. After that, according to my cutting speed and my tool diameter, we can also use the V with large and button here. And according to my cutting speed, my spindle speed calculated automatically according to my tool diameter. This is my feed rate, and this is going to be my actually and feed rate and millimeter divided by mean. Okay, so after that, actually we can turn to link parameters. We can use absolute, 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 and absolute. That can be all of them is top of stock and depth 0. And this is my feed plane. After that point, we're gonna turn to G1. We can write 5 here. This is my retract point. After that, we can turn to cut parameters. We can select and the zigzag. This is going to be stock to leave on the floor. I can write 0 here. We can also activate and high speed loops. We can write our degree here. We can also write our step over. This is my step over. After that, we can click OK button. So we're gonna see that's kind of toolpath. That toolpath actually is quite good, because when you turn to actually your CNC, I am sure that you're gonna see and perfect and surface roughness, because you can use the X and Y axis. So we can also see the and high speed loops here. You can also reorganize your step over. Okay, I can click my parameters here. After that, we can change our step over percent according to my tool diameter. We can also turn to conventional, but it's not important because we're gonna use the zigzag options. After that, you can see the sum and the dirty operation here. So you can push that button to clean your dirty operation, or you can also push and the simulation button to and recalculate your and toolpath. After and that's recalculation section, you're gonna see all your and parameters, and in that case, okay, that's it. And actually this is toolpath options and 2-axis toolpath options in Mastercam, and we can use, and that's options actually, and by creating our toolpath. Okay, and yeah, we can also put here, I don't want to see the my and holder. We can also turn to view and isometric view. Actually we can push the start button. After that we're gonna see that's kind of and toolpath. We can also reorganize our simulation, and out of that section, if we can push to display the rapid moves, we're gonna see the rapid movement here and end of the section. After that, of course, we can push the G1 button to see our post. We can also see that this is MP1 post. We can also reorganize post-processing process. If you need any help about that stuff, you can turn to us, and I try to and create your and the post process. Okay, and yeah, we can get our and post. We just need to send that post into our CNC. We can also use the remove block number options. After that, we're gonna see the clear toolpath here, X, Y, and other stuff here. And yeah, that's it. And you can save your file. After that, you can and turn to Mastercam. Yeah, that's fine. And this is the 2-axis face toolpath. You can also, maybe we can also turn to link parameters. We can also write here as a tree, maybe. After that, we can reorganize and the depth cut activated. We can write here 1 millimeter of step and 1 millimeter and finish step here and recalculated. You're gonna see that first, second, and third toolpath. After that, we're gonna see the last toolpath as a finish toolpath to clear our face. So you can also reorganize it so we can cut linking parameters, top of stock, and depth position. So yeah, that's it. And let me check if you have and any question. Yeah, and actually I'm planning to do and some video like this to and get some and feedback from you, and we can do that kind of and live stream video according to your actually and question. Okay, I think that's enough for and first time. After that we can, and you can write me any question and what kind of video would you like to see in a live stream process. I can organize some example to work on it. After that we can do that, and so that's also gonna help us to and improve our Mastercam usage ability. Okay, thank you very much. I am really appreciated your interest, and don't hesitate to ask me a question. I am here for that.